You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
We're in for a treat. I have an Ipsy Glam bag, JK Boxycharm, and a Glam bag here. And it has been a couple months since I've done an actual video, and I love these. And if you guys don't know, because I've been complaining, I'm on Accutane now, and I need some like extra hydrating stuff. So that is, I'm crossing my fingers, that is what I get. If you see lights going on and off, it's because Asher is down out of frame playing with my phone ring light. Oh my goodness, how pretty! Right, it's like every 7-year-old's dream bag. Sequins. I want to say that Glam bags are now $13. I'll have it linked below in the description if you want to check out either of these. I don't always know the prices like right off the top of my head. Wow, this is not supposed to be like sample sizes. Sometimes you get full sizes in Glam bags, but this is definitely a full size. This is a Daydreamer Lucky Chick eyeshadow palette. My hope with Accutane is that I also end up not having eye allergies anymore. I don't think that's gonna be an outcome of it, but like, you know, a girl can dream. BB! No, we don't touch that, honey. Are you about to cry? Or you're squinting your eye? He's literally trying to cry right now. Go play with my ring light, Bubba. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. I don't want to touch, I don't want to even mess it up. I have not heard of this brand. I will be very frank with you. The packaging does not feel very high quality by any means, but those colors, I might have to hold on to this. Normally I give away any eyeshadow I get just because I don't obviously wear it right now because it will break me out. But I've been hoarding stuff lately in the hope somehow in June I can start wearing eyeshadow again. Again, that is just like literally something I concocted in my head as a possibility. So next we have by Lauren's this Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Please pardon my hands. I have a nasty rash happening because we had switched hand soaps and like I'm so sensitive to things, and I was clearly allergic to this one. And so I've been very like cautious of putting new things on my hands, especially while I'm trying to get rid of it. But typically, well, I shouldn't say typically. A lot of times lotions don't break me out, but sometimes they do. Ooh, First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty. This is the Deep Cleanser, and it is safe for sensitive skin, which is very important right now, especially with being on Accutane. So I will definitely keep that. And then last two things, Verify 2020 eye cream. Thank you. I needed a new eye cream. I just bought one from TJ Maxx, but my eyes have been so dry. I've been just like really gooping it on because my skin is like drying from the inside out from the medicine. I absolutely need a backup. And very last thing, this is VC Collection. It is the Island eyeliner, and it's, ooh, this is beautiful. It's just a white. It's supposed to, like, white and beige eyeliners just make you look so much more awake. Again, I can't use it yet, but maybe someday. I used to, like, before I had my eye allergies, I would always put on like a tan or white like under eye eyeliner. Those were all the Ipsy bag, Glam bag, whatever you want to call it. Favorite's gonna go to the eye cream because anything skincare that is hydrating is automatically gonna be a favorite this month and probably the next 5. Moving on to the Boxycharm, which is all full-size products. You get 5 in here. Normally I would film during nap time, but I was working during nap time. And I really want to do in 2023 empties video, so like I really just need to film, even if it's not ideal timing. Okay, without me looking in, here's our first look. both of us. I think I see like a nice brand in here. We're gonna go with the first thing I don't know what it is. Feel Squalene Facial Oil. I need to look up all of these and the ingredients to make sure they're not gonna like completely destroy my skin, being as sensitive as it is right now with Accutane, but if it's for sensitive skin, I'm absolutely gonna try it. But I think, is squalene is that the like a slug oil, snail oil? Is that what that is? I wanna say I saw something on TikTok about it. Sugar-derived squalene. Well, if it's sugar-derived, it shouldn't be from a snail or a slug. Vitamin C. I love vitamin C. My skin loves vitamin C, but I don't think vitamin C is gonna be good for my skin for the next 5 months. It's supposed to brighten it and reduce wrinkles. This is probably gonna have to be either a hold out and wait or give to someone. By Farah Cosmetics, this is a Smooth Focus Face Primer. Farah has been like a long time brand they've been giving out, but I don't ever remember it being in a box like this. So I don't know if they've just made their packaging nicer. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like a Tarte type packaging or something. No, not really. It is prettier though, the way that they are displaying it. No offense to Farah, but like, I feel like in the past it's just been stuff thrown in with a plastic like covering over it. This is what, I love Glow Recipe. You can give me Glow Recipe every month and I will like continue raving about Ipsy, you know what I mean? Like it's one of those brands that like, this will cover the entire box. It is so worth it. And I always, like throughout the years, constantly get a good handful of Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Sunscreen, 50 SPF. Oh my goodness, I needed this. Sunscreen is extremely important while you're on the Accutane medicine. And I didn't even know they made it. And I think I have 2 Glow Recipe products I'm using right now. And then watermelon smells so good. All their products smell good. This is for sure, like I don't even have to see anything else to know, this is the most exciting product. Okay, second to last, Alyssa Beauty. They've been throwing a lot of these in. This is the Lash Confidence Curl Lengthen Volume Mascara. I'm just gonna give this to my friend Alyssa, who goes by Alyssa, because I think it's funny. Hopefully she does too. But I have no idea. I have no idea anything about the brand. I've never even used it. I automatically just give it away. But they always have the cutest packaging. Maybe I should actually use this sometime. We'll see. I'll look into it. And then lastly, we have Seraphine Botanicals Geranium and Glow Blush and Highlight Palette. Beautiful flower packaging. Another brand I have not heard of. So you get 3 pinks and 1 highlight there. This would be good for someone that's a beginner and doesn't have a lot of makeup, because obviously you have a bunch of different looks you can do with this. Unrelated, but sort of related, I will say I miss so much the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. I used that like blush and highlighter so much when I used to have it. But then when I got my eye allergies, I got rid of like every single piece of makeup I owned. And because I thought it was related to like old makeup, it wasn't. It was just an allergic reaction. And you know, now it's like really, one, it's really hard to get, and 2, it's like I don't want to spend that much money to get it, even though I love it. Maybe in the future that could be a splurge item, but like right now it doesn't make sense. So favorite, I mean, you guys knew it was going to take a lot to have this not be my favorite. This is definitely by far the favorite from the entire unboxing. And that was everything. So I hope you enjoyed this one-off video. I'm sorry that it was a little chaotic per usual, but I want to like scatter in more than just like my weekly vlog type videos, because this is what my channel used to fully be about. And I know some of you still enjoy this. And if you don't, you're not watching. So be on the lookout for my empties of 2023, because I have a huge bag filled with them. And I will see you guys then. Also look at my skin for my 2-week Accutane update. It's looking actually really good. So hopefully that's a continued trend. I am a crusty little lizard already though. I will see you within the next week. Bye.
I just need to clear my head.